Welcome to Unfiltered Scripture, where ancient wisdom meets modern chaos. Today, why your dating life is broken according to the Bible. The average dating app user has 300 matches, yet 50% of marriages fail and 60% of young adults report chronic loneliness. We're swiping through strangers at 2 a.m. wondering why we're alone. Here's the problem. We've forgotten what marriage actually is. So let's go back 3,500 years to a word that predates Tinder: covenant. In the Bible, marriage isn't a contract, it's a covenant. And those are different things. A contract says, I'll do this if you do that. Conditional, performance-based, exit clauses. A covenant says, I will do this because of who I am, regardless of what you do. Unconditional, character-based, till death. When God makes covenants with Noah, Abraham, Moses, he doesn't say, I'll be faithful if you're faithful. He says, I will be faithful. Period. Marriage is humans imitating that divine faithfulness. But we've turned marriage into shopping. 2025 dating profile. Must be 6 feet tall, 6 figures, six-pack abs, no baggage, good credit score. We have literal checklists, like browsing Amazon, and dating apps, perfectly designed for this. Tinder's algorithm treats people as products with desirability scores. The average person spends 90 minutes daily on apps, 547 hours per year looking for love, while the app profits from you not finding it. Because if you find love, you delete the app. Bad for business. Hosea chapter 2 verse 7 warned about this 2,700 years ago. She will chase lovers but not catch them. Endless pursuit, never satisfied, always chasing, never catching. Because when relationships are transactions, what can you do for me? You're always looking for a better deal. The Bible calls this idolatry, not of stone statues, but of self. And transactional relationships can't create intimacy. Covenant requires vulnerability. Transaction requires performance. You can't swipe your way into being known. Here's the prophetic warning. A culture that treats relationships as transactions eventually treats everything transactionally. And when everything's transactional, nothing is sacred. Matthew 24:12, the love of many will grow cold, not disappear, grow cold. Calculated, cost-benefit analysis. So what do? Relearn covenant thinking. Ask yourself, am I looking for someone to perform for me or someone to build with? Do I want a product or a partner? Stop treating people as disposable. That person not tall enough? Made in God's image. Swipe culture trains us to dehumanize. Covenant culture trains us to dignify. Dating apps aren't evil. They're designed for shopping, not covenant. And when we worship efficiency and endless choice, we sacrifice depth, commitment, and actual love. Maybe it's time we remembered what that looks like. This is Unfiltered Scripture. Subscribe if you hate being comfortable.